Hey guys, welcome back. I am back, y'all. Today's unit is from Sunber Hair. I actually haven't worked with Sunber Hair in a long time, so I'm super excited to get this installed. Shapoppin', okay? Shapoppin'. So, as y'all can see, the box is yellow. This box is cute, okay? It's just like a breath of fresh air. It's giving me summer vibes. Y'all, I'm just really describing the box. Let's just get into it. This install is going to be straight out of the box. I'm not washing it. I'm not conditioning it. I'm not even plucking it. Okay, that is the gag. I'm not doing anything but installing it. So, they sent over a elastic band. We got to have our elastic band in the building. They definitely sent over a wig cap. Y'all already know. They sent over some other goods as well, like lashes and stuff. I'm not going to really put them on, but I could have. And we here for this wig. Look at this hair color. Y'all know I'm stepping out because here I am with blonde, okay? This is like a honey blonde though. So it's like chocolate with honey brown streaks, and this is like a yaki texture. As you guys can see, I love how thin the lace is. It has the little elastic band just in case you guys want to wear it glueless. Alrighty, so while my hot comb is warming up, I'm gonna take my 𝚑𝚑𝚗𝚝 wax stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and place this all over the hairline. I think I'm gonna go to the bathroom when I flat iron this. Y'all just got this random thought. I just been thinking crazy stuff like, y'all know how the hot combs and the flat irons and stuff be burning. See, y'all see, like what if it set off the alarm? I don't even know if I'm curling it. I don't have no style in my head. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing with this unit today. Can't get my feelings hurt today. Riding with my Twitter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the hot comb into each section. That way my roots will be super duper flat. I don't want a lot of texture up here. And make sure you're laying your hot comb on the, like at an angle so it's laying flat. So this big part can actually do its job. Like this, okay? So I love that right now. So I think I'm gonna install it before I flat iron it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my scissors and I'm gonna cut directly in the middle like that. Like dirt. And if you need clips, get your clips and pull this out of the way. Now I'm just gonna cut fairly close to the lace. You can also use a, what is it called, eyebrow razor. And then I'm gonna cut around the ear. And I'm gonna stretch it and make sure it fits. So, like I said, I haven't done no plucking or nothing. This is what the hairline is giving us right now. Okay, so I'm gonna push this back. I'm just gonna spray it right here, like in the center. And then I'm gonna work over here, and then over here, and then over here, okay? If you guys are new, take your time with this process and to each its own. But me, in my personal opinion, nothing frustrates me more than trying to install the whole unit down at once, okay? To me, I just can't. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do. Girl, nothing was coming out. And this is cold. Jesus, it's cold. So this is the little area I'm gonna work with first. And now I'm gonna take my blow dryer. Ew, I need some makeup wipes. And you can also wipe your makeup off of your face. I mean, off of your forehead before applying the product. So anyway, I'm just gonna take my dryer on a cool heating setting. Well, probably warm. Okay, so it got tacky real quick. I'm gonna pull the wig down to where I laid the product. I'm making sure it's lined up evenly. But I'm making sure I do pull my lace super duper flat. I'm just taking the end of this comb and I'm just rolling it, okay? Pressing that down because You want to make sure everything is laying down. And honestly, the foundation on my, why do I keep saying foundation? The makeup that is on my forehead just basically tinted the lace. So that's why I just didn't tint it this time. So I'm gonna add a little bit more heat. And spray like that. So now I'm just gonna do a little bit of trimming, because sometimes you just don't need all the lace. You don't need all that lace. Now that my wig is fully installed, there's some little areas that is peeking out. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more of this and put it on the outside of the lace. I usually hate doing this because to me, it just makes my lace hard. But I'm just gonna do in the areas just to help it blend a little bit more. So now I'm gonna take my deluxe crease brush. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my tan spray, and this is in the shade medium brown, and I'm just gonna spray my brush and then pat it into my hairline. So I'm just gonna spray some of it on the brush. So, like I was saying, we got to do something right up in here because it's giving, all up in here is giving wig, okay? I kind of regret not put my tinting spray underneath of it because I just feel like I can see the line like around here. So I may have to pull out some baby hairs to cover that up. So basically what I did was took the Ruby Kisses foundation and I defined my part. I actually straightened it up a bit and just, you know, took a flat brush and lined it like that.
Okay guys, so my microphone died, so we're gonna do this voiceover style, okay, for the rest of the video. So I'm just creating some baby hairs right now. If you guys are not a fan of baby hairs, you can go ahead and skip this step. I know, okay? But anyway, y'all, I'm just gonna take some of my, what is it called, gummy glue. Y'all check the description section. I will have other products that I used used throughout this video in there. But we're just gonna take some of that gel and we're just gonna go ahead and swoop the dupe. Okay, I'm just creating backward C's. And if you guys have trouble, you know, creating your baby hairs, you also can use a 1-inch flat iron to get this same look. But I'm used to doing this way, so either way works for me. So I always say start longer when it comes to the baby hairs because you can always trim them up as you go. If you cut them too short, there is no coming back, and girl, it's gonna be a freaking mess. So make sure you leave enough hair, that way you can create your swoops. So I'm going in with my cheek curling iron to create some curls. I actually do 2 types of curls. You guys will see that in a minute. But y'all, ever since I got this curling iron thing, y'all, it's changed the game for me. And I love that. I love the curls that it creates. So this is what it looks like once I fluffed out the curls. I wanted that loose body wave look. So y'all, these turned out super cute. Okay. And the color, y'all, the color, look at the color. So this is the second time I installed this unit. As you guys can see, I'm using a different curling arm to create some curls. And with this specific install, I did go ahead and wash and condition it. So you guys, one thing I love about this YAKI texture, it doesn't matter if you put heat on it and press it out. Like I showed you guys in the beginning, the texture does come back. I will include a little clip of the texture before I installed it this day. But y'all, I'm obsessed with this hair. I don't have any complaints, y'all. This wig came out so cute and I'm obsessed. So all the information will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.